Hey, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming world of Japanese cuisine with a focus on one of its most beloved dishes, Nabe, also known as hot pot. But wait, there's more. We're here to uncover some maximum unknown facts about this communal culinary delight. So, let's get ready for a flavorful journey. First things first, what exactly is Nabe? Nabe refers to the traditional Japanese hot pot cooking method, where a pot of simmering broth sits at the center of the dining table. It's not just a meal. It's an interactive and communal experience where everyone gathers around, cooks together, and shares the delectable results. Now, let's dive into some maximum unknown facts about Nabe. Did you know that Nabe has a rich history that dates back centuries? It was originally developed as a way to conserve fuel during the cold winter months. Families would gather around a single pot, adding ingredients one by one, creating a nourishing and satisfying meal while also sharing warmth and togetherness. Here's an intriguing fact. Nabe is incredibly versatile. There are numerous regional variations across Japan, each with its own unique flavors and ingredients. From the hearty miso nabe of Hokkaido to the delicate chanko nabe of sumo wrestlers in Tokyo, there's a nabe style to suit every palate. Prepare to be amazed. Nabe is not just a winter dish, it's enjoyed throughout the year in Japan. In fact, there are even Nabe variations for different seasons. During summer, lighter broths and fresh seasonal vegetables take center stage, while in winter, heartier ingredients like root vegetables and meat create a comforting and nourishing experience. Here's a fascinating twist. Nabe is not limited to savory flavors alone. In recent years, sweet dessert versions of Nabe, known as sweet Nabe or dessert Nabe, have gained popularity. These unique creations incorporate sweet broth, fruits, mochi, and other sweet treats, offering a delightful and unexpected twist to the traditional hot pot experience. And there you have it, folks. Nabe, the communal masterpiece of Japanese cuisine, is not just a delicious meal but also a way to bring people together, share stories, and create unforgettable memories. So, the next time you gather around a table with loved ones, consider trying Nabe and immersing yourself in this centuries-old tradition. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking and sharing.